installation of a new cabin air filter. Cadillac CTS-V 2018. First, I need to unscrew that. So changing it, you gotta take the little plastic screw out to change the filter. The little plastic screw that goes up here, and then you can mess around, pull that out. You go here. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's right here. Some pins in there. Just get that out of the way. There's 4 clips. 2 on 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. If you can see, there's the filter right here. So you can see the arrow. The flow points down. I'm just gonna replace it right now. Let's see how this one is. Dirty, is it clean? There it is. It's kind of dirty. Might as well have one right here. Now, make sure you put the airflow correctly, as when I pull it out, the airflow points down. So put the new one in, airflow points down. And now you can see that opening right here is where it goes. And as you can see, it's back in, and put your bracket back. And if you notice on here, I don't know if you guys know that, if you can see that, it says down. It has an arrow pointing down, so when you put it back in, you know, put it back in the right way. Let's see. It's back in, pointing down, and this slides back in there. Voila, and you put your go. Now there we go. Probably put your tray hiking. Oh, I gotta get out of it. No. Upside down. And that's it. We're good to go. New filter in.